Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And now, guys, we will have another try on haul from the thrift. So I will show you guys what's the styles of the dress that I found in the thrift. So let's go, guys. And before we continue our vlog, let me first introduce my channel, Margie Ovida. So, and now guys, the first item, I found it. So, this one. It's so nice. Very nice. Very nice. Look, very stretchable. Yeah, the clothes is stretchable. So, even this clothes is the size is small. The size is small, but uh no problem because this clothes is stretchable. Look, expand, and yeah. So i know uh I know this size is fit on me. So look, it's so nice, very nice. So I bought this. uh this is not pricey, so very affordable, very not expensive. um the price is $2 only, $2. So I like this. And of course, guys, okay, let us try to wear this one. So of course we will have our tongue. So this kind of dress, uh you can wear the tongue. So this type of dress, because it's really fit on my body. So it's nice, it's nice to wear the tongue. So yeah. So this one. So I will wear this one. So it's nice tongue, right? So nice tongue. So okay. So this is um let us try, guys. So I will wear this one, guys. Hold on, everyone. I need to lock that. So excited. I'm excited anyway. So excited, guys. Wow. Wow, look. Look. Wow, it's so nice. Very nice. Look. See? Look at. So I wear the tongue. Look at the tongue. Look at the back. See? Look at the back. Okay. It's so nice. So as what I said, guys, if you wear the fit dress, stretchable, elastic, fit to your body, so it's nice to wear the tongue. So see, Look at the back. Oh, it's very nice, right? So nice. It's very nice. See? Very nice, guys. So nice. And the next one is this one. So, wait. Okay. And so nice. Very nice. Just wait for a while, guys. So I change. And so I think, yeah. Wow. Charan. See? Wow. So nice. Very nice. Look. Very nice, guys. I love it. So look at the tongue. Look. See? So nice. So nice. Very nice. Elastic. Stretchable. It's so nice, guys. See? Very nice. So nice. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.